So guys, I'm going to explain you all about in arrays push, pop, shift, unshift and splice, right? So like in last video I told you about arrays and like explain you about arrays. Now I'm going to in depth, like I'm going to explain you about in depth what is push, pop, shift, unshift and splice and why we use. So with the syntax and example, like I explained both everything in this video, so for your better understanding. So let's start. So in JavaScript, array are used to store and organize multiple values in a single variable. These are several built-in methods that can be used to manipulate array, right? And so we have the syntax and example for some common array method like push, pop, shift, unshift and splice, right? So I'm going to explain you about push method. So array dot push element 1 element 2, right? So this is the syntax of that array, right? Push method. And explain you with example. This is example of that array push. So this is a push method, and let fruit is equal to apple, orange and banana, right? When you write for array you have to write this type of bracket curly, right? So fruits dot push bracket grab comma kiwi, right? So what's going on there? So console.log fruits. Now this fruits is came, right? Console.log fruit. Output is apple, orange, banana, grapes and kiwi. What are the things they are adding? Fruits dot push like grapes and kiwi, right? So I'm gonna explain you about what is going on in push method. The push method modify the original array by adding the specified element to the end, right? In the example, grape and kiwi are added to the end of fruits array. Grapes and kiwi, right? That's the thing about push method. Now I'm going to explain you about push method. So the pop method. I explained you push method. Now I'm gonna explain you about a pop method. The pop method remove the last element from an array. So syntax is let last element is equal to array dot pop. Example, let fruits is equal to apple, comma orange, comma banana. Let remove fruits is equal to fruits dot pop. Console.log remove fruits, output is banana. Console.log fruit, output is equal to apple and orange. You can see, right? Apple and orange. From the list of array, we removed banana, right? So how we have done? The pop method modify the original array by removing the last element. This last element. In the example, banana is removed from the end of the fruits array, right? And it is stored in the variable removed fruit, right? That's why output is apple comma orange. Shift method I'm gonna explain you right now. So what is the shift method? Syntax is a let first element is equal to array dot shift. Example, let fruits is equal to apple, orange and banana. Let remove fruit is equal to fruits dot shift. Console.log remove fruits is equal to output is equal to apple. Console.log fruit output orange banana. Now I'm gonna explain you about shift method. The shift method modify the original array by removing the first element. In the example, apple is removed from the beginning of the fruits array and it is stored in the variable removed first fruit, remove fruits, right? So what is the output? Apple, right? So this is output apple, right? So that is about like shift method. Now I'm gonna explain you about unshift method. So the unshift method adds one or more element to the beginning of an array. Syntax array dot unshift element 1 comma element 2. Example, I'm gonna explain you. Let fruit is equal to orange comma banana. Let fruits and shift apple dot comma kiwi or console dot log fruits output apple kiwi orange banana. So the unshift method modifies the original array by adding the specified element to the beginning. In the example, apple and kiwi are added to the beginning of fruits and array. Right? So this is all about unshift method. Now come to the splice method. What is a splice method, guys? So the splice methods can be used to add or remove element from the specific position in an array, right? So syntax for adding element, this array dot splice index 0 element 1 element comma 2. Syntax for removing element, let remove element is equal to array dot splice index comma count. Example, adding element, this one, syntax 1, come to the syntax 1, see the syntax 1. Now come to the example this. Let fruit is equal to apple, orange, banana. Fruits dot splice 1 comma 0 kiwi dot kiwi comma grapes. Right? Because we talk about index, right? What is the index? In array actually no, like when we wanted to calculate anything, so we just calculate with the index, right? Index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, right? If apple is there, index 0, 1, apple B is a banana, and like apple, orange, banana, right? So this is the index 0, index orange is the index 1, or banana is the index 3, right? In that way it's work. So fruit dot splice comma 1 comma 0 kiwi comma grapes, right? 1 is orange, right? Comma 0 is apple. Console dot log fruit, output is apple, kiwi, grapes, orange, banana, right? This is the adding element, right? No, we have added kiwi, grapes, right? Now example, removing element. Let's fruit, the apple, kiwi, grapes, orange, banana. Let remove fruit is equal to fruit dot splice 1 comma 2 console dot log removed fruits is equal to output kiwi, grapes, console dot log fruits output apple, orange, and banana, right? This is the part. So explanation part, right? So the splice method like modify the original array by either adding or removing element. Like in the example, element are added or removed at a specific index in the fruits array, right? Because these all the things happening in the index, right? 1 comma 0. What is it, man? Index, man, right? So in the index, right, they're removing and specific index in the fruit array. Like this array method provide a powerful tool for manipulating array in JavaScript, right? Allowing you to remove and modify element based on your specific need, right? So this is all the explanation, guys, about array, and where I covered push, pop, shift, and unshift, and splice, right? So let's meet in the next video, guys.